I saw a film called Never Take No for an Answer. But I actually, as a child, looked identical to the little Italian boy in the film. And therefore, immediately I bonded with him and thought one day that'd be me. I didn't know what that meant. I couldn't translate it into adult language. These things take time. But I knew I will be him one day. Then on leaving the cinema manager took it upon himself to lift me above the audience, shouting, "It's little Peppino, oh. It's little Peppino." And I thought to myself, I can get used to this.